And because now it's quarantine, we don't have models, so it's very useful to use Easy Trainer. I already applied a nail form, and you see that my nail form is going straight because I'm going to make almond, and I'm going to work with power gel. So that's why first I have to apply gel polish bond or soft bond primer. So let's apply it without touching a skin. And we are ready for next step. Now we are going to build a nail using Power Gel Clear. First I have to use my Power Gel tool to press down the product and remove the border. Oops. And with my next step, I'm going to distribute the product, creating the elongation or extension, sorry. When I'm working with acrylic brush, it's very old acrylic brush. I'm not going to use new one. And my movements, they are very, very light now. So I'm just trying just to make it as even as possible. And I will create the extension. In the meantime, when I see that I have little air bubble, I always can go and I can remove it with orange wooden stick. And I will fix that place. I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds in twin light. After curing in twin light, I'm going to continue, and I will use again Magnetic Power Gel Clear, Power Gel tool, and with spatula I will put my product on the nail, and with other side of the Power Gel tool I'm going to press down a product a bit to the nail. I will remove I will remove the border near the cuticle, and then I will continue working with acrylic brush. When we are working with acrylic brush, we always have to remember that we should not use too much of liquid, whatever you are using, or you are using alcohol, or you are using prep and wipe. For instance, now I'm using just prep and wipe. So, but I'm just cleaning my brush in a prep and wipe. I'm not, you see that my brush completely dry. So that's important, because then you will have a good structure of your product and of your artificial nail. So, and when your second layer applied evenly, we are ready to cure it. We also can check by highlights if we applied our product evenly. And now I have to cure it for 10-15 seconds, and then I'm going to pinch it. And we will pinch. So, and you see that when I'm pinching on the stress points. I don't pinch on the nail, never, only on stress point. Stress point and further. And after this, I can remove my nail form. I will squeeze it a bit. So this is what we have. So you see that this nail is almost like non-filing technique, and only with power gel you can do it. And then after this, just to be sure that my arch will not go anywhere, I will apply pinching clamp in that way, and I will continue curing for 1.5 minutes. And now let's remove our pinching clamp and let's check how our nail look, and also our arch is quite good one and deep one. So now let's remove sticky residue with prep and wipe, and we are ready for filing. Yes, I'm going to file this nail with 180 grit. First I have to remove my skin, like normal way of filing. So I will shape my nail, I will file my nail, and I will come to you back just in a couple of seconds. And we are back with Easy Trainer after filing. So that shape that we have, we can call it like now slim almond. And honestly to say, it's really very beautiful shape. So it's really looks very absolutely natural. The reason why I made it with clear, because I want to use transparent gel polish. But with transparent gel polish, if I just will apply it directly on the nail, so then I want to see this transparency. So that's why I was thinking how I can play around just to get the result that I want. I already posted some pictures, and I got some comments like how it's possible to have so good high shine on your nail. Before applying my product, my gel polish, I'm going to use the 340 buffer just to buff my surface. I did it already, so then you will see that surface will be absolutely smooth and we will have perfect highlight. So now I already clean it with prep and wipe. I'm sure that there is no dust, nothing. And Cyan gel polish. That one is really very nice because it's lighter with color. So that's why we can see through, and then of course we don't want to see the natural nail. But we are going to use some little trick. So first I'm going to apply the gel polish itself. And it also depends how big color, how thick color you want to have. You can have it just in very light version, like I did now. Or you also can use just a bit more of product and apply it a bit thicker. But be sure don't apply it too thick, otherwise it can run away and then you will have problem with product that will be on your side. So you see already how beautiful highlights we have on all our nail. Now I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. After being in twin light for 30 seconds, what we can see that actually we can see that how transparent our product is. But still, I don't like it because I want to hide my nail bed. That's why I don't like it. And for that, I'm going to use purple with a sparkle gel polish. And I will apply it only on the nail bed just to hide it. You also can use flakes, whatever you like. Because now my idea is that I just want to like make little fading and a bit make a distraction on my nail bed. And now I will cure it for 30 seconds again. After curing in twin light for 30 seconds, so I already like distracted attention from the nail bed, and I'm going to use stamping. So we have new stamping plates with ornaments, and I really love it because you can combine it with everything. I will combine it now with butterflies. So for that I will use, first I will choose any pattern of butterfly that I will like. Yeah, maybe, yeah, let's choose this one. It looks really very nice. And then I will continue working with ornaments. So for that also I'm going to use just a silver gel polish. Ta-da! So I will turn it that way. I will use this pattern. Shake it well before using. And it's done. That looks really very cool. And the rest of the product that I still have, I also can remove just with normal nail wipe. So that pattern, I will not remove sticky layer and I will place it where I want. So you see that I still can see through. Ba-bam! Done. If somewhere my pattern actually was not applied good, I will not pay attention to that because I'm going to continue decorating. And now I will use another stamping plate with ornaments. They're really absolutely nice one. I will use that one. Again. I have to clean first my stamping pad. That one. That's a pure beauty. Don't press on it, it's really very easy. Oh, I was too late. Not a problem. One more time. I will clean it with prep and wipe. One more time, prep and wipe. Just to remove a pattern, and I have to work a bit quicker because I was too slow. And we have it. And I will place these parts as a decoration. So if I have it here, it's not a problem. I will remove it later. And also this part. And I can see through the part where I'm placing my elements. I don't like it. That's why I just will remove it with nail polish corrector. Ta-da! You see, everything is done. So And I also can clean the skin. Oh, sorry for my lump. I will clean the skin and it will look much nicer. So now we see that actually our nail bed is decorated, which is very good. And I'm not going to cure it because I have been using a nail polish. And now it's time for supreme finish. So you see that this technique is really very quick. It's absolutely easy. And we can use the full power and full transparency of that beautiful gel polish. So actually this gel polish you can use everywhere. You can use it as a gel polish, you can use it in inlay design. So it's absolutely clear, it's absolutely transparent, it looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm really happy that we have it in our assortment. And now you see that everything is smooth, but because I apply the top gel, always before going to LED light, turn it upside down for 1, 2, 3 and then cure it. And now let's check our results. So first we will check our highlights and you see how straight and beautiful they are. So then let's check a shape. Now it will be better. So it looks really very cool and it looks very thin, very slim. And also we can use it, as I said, just a gel polish with little decoration of nail bed and it will look absolutely cool. I hope you enjoy it and see you a bit later with some old new ideas that perhaps you will love.